Welcome this video rustic gardening bed. A complete guide for beginning. Rustic gardening bed are a fantastic way to growing health plants while keep your gardening original and manageable. Whether you are beginning and explored gardening, understanding how to perfect a rustic gardening bed is chosen for health plants growing and a productive wealth. We explored best moment, material type and maintained then filled rustic gardening bed. What choose a rustic gardening bed before dive into the special of how to fit, then it's helpful and understanding what rustic gardening bed are a popular gardening. You can customize the salt special need for your plants better. Rustic gardening bed faster rate the rest of root growing season. Salt growing up fast in inspire allow you to plant rest. Red weak growing. Later natural meaning few week. Access less than or keep mark gardening more access. Plants your rustic gardening bed. Rustic size. More rustic bed are benefit 6 inch and 42 inch deep for vegetable and herb or depend of 12 to 18 inch is idea. The longer and wide on the space, but 4 feet wide is convenient, easy reach for side. Material rustic bed can be more for wood, metal, become pickboard. Marks of that material are soft and no. If you growing effect, rustic gardening bed. A good rustic bed makes product promax during mouse. The key is sharp use the out of original and incorrect material to create a natural ridge. The layout basic long branch and type, space and slow during add natural over time. Simple rustic gardening bed, salt max. If you perfect an unformed mix or have short bed, consider use a balanced salt maximize for the blend of your bed. Choose well during salt. Add max impact salt textile material such as various cords and enhance. You can during pro makes rustic garlic bed salt or max your owner use the formula about cost effect alternate rustic gardening bed can be exchanged if you use all beginning. Here are some to save money. Use loan. Maximize for free complex and solve. Layout with yard week. Click the button and long branch. Before add. Better solve if the top makes your alt by Englaben bustle to mark your owner sub as inferior to by beginning various. How to artistic gardening bed step by step. Start weak brings but a layout of cardboard and landscape fiber to help spotted week. Add basic layout. Layout original material complete kitchen, crab, level. Add complete. Create a rustic made layout natural. Add compact. Create a ridge. Mid layout. Top with gardening. Fill the top 6 by 8 inch with high quality gardening mix. Make the layout light water each layout as you are going to help maximize and start demarcating. Less the sub allow to bed sub for a few days before plants. Rustic bed. If you are owning tool layout. Keep it less